Doon sa mga nakapagbasa yun, they're really... Bigyan mo ba ng call sana? Di ba? Okay, na.
Good evening.
Good evening. Live na naman tayo sa Taraki Health Check.
Yes, Taraki TV.
Our guest is currently one of our active medical specialists in Baguio General Hospital and Medical Center. No? So she is one of the few kind of her breed, no? Dealing with children. So
yes.
Our guest is actually prestigious pediatric neurologist. No? She is active consultant in Baguio General Hospital and Medical Center, and may we call our special guest for today, Dr. Malu.
Yes.
Dr. Trahan.
Well, first of all, good evening po sa lahat ng ating manonood kay Kinig. And thank you, Taraki TV, for this opportunity to be a guest tonight and to share some message sa ating mga audience. Of course, nabanggit nyo na, I'm a practicing child neurologist, pero pediatrician din po ako to begin with. Pero mas naging geared na towards child neuro ang aking professional practice. No?
Your specialty, Doc, anong pinaka-common na nagpapakonsult na sakit?
Ang pinaka-common is seizures. Seizures in children mas common kesa sa adult. Sa adult kasi is stroke.
Yes.
So sa amin naman baliktad, mas konti ang stroke compare sa adult. And sabi ko nga, maski sa mga may edad, no, hindi dahil golden age ka na or dual citizen, no, na parang there's nothing more to go on with life, no, na hindi ka na mangangarap, hindi ka na mag-set ng new goals. So with this book, it's for all age group na sana makatulong.
Ano yun siya, no? Na breakdown siya into chapters.
Yes.
Tapos may mga subtopics siya, no? And then yung nasabi ni Doktora, yung font. Malaki siya, hindi siya nakakatamad basahin. Actually, it's a good idea.
So, how do you approach building trust and rapport with your young patients and their parents or guardians?
Okay. What you see is what you get from me. So, hindi po ako namimeke nung aking pinapakikitungo sa aking pasyente, no? Lalo na sa young ones. And siguro yung advice ko, when a new patient approaches me, I always greet them with a smile. No? Maraming causes ng pagkakaroon ng late development in children. Yun yung isa sa mga kailangan namin pag nag-history taking kami, kung nagkaroon ba ng problem during the pregnancy, so prenatal causes. Number 2, nagka-problema ba during the time na nanganak, natal causes. Number 3, during the first month ng buhay ng bata, nagkasakit ba, newborn, neonatal period, nagkaroon ba ng insult sa utak nila. So yun yung mga phases na kaya matagal, no, na chine-check ko. And then, while growing up, nagkaroon ba ng grabing sakit? So nagka-meningitis, encephalitis, trauma, fall. So yun yung mga tinatanong ko sa kanila. And then, aside from this na mga parang environmental causes, no, depende sa life ng bata, meron din naman tayong mga tinatawag na structural defects sa utak, no, na maaring mag-cause ng delay. And then we also have mga genetics na diseases, no, mga metabolic diseases na pwede mag-cause ng delay. That's why sinasabi ko nga sa parents, make use of the baby book.
Okay.
Kasi sa likod ng baby book, meron tayong milestone tracker dyan from 1 month old hanggang yung first 5 years ng buhay ng bata. Or kung wala man sa baby book, download sa internet ng mga growth chart ng mga bata. So this is available in all of my clinics in here at Notre Dame, El Pueblo Maria building, so 207. And also at KDC building near Land Bank. So that's my second clinic here in Baguio. And in Urdaneta City, Urdaneta Sacred Heart Hospital, andyan po tong libro na to. So aside from my clinics, meron po ito sa beauty room, salon, SNZ sa UB Square, first floor. Concoctions Cafe in front of St. Louis University. So, kung gusto nyo ng malayuan ng konti, available po ito sa Mount Cloud bookstore. Meron po yan. And then, meron din po to yung ebook. It's in Amazon, Kindle, ngayon Shopee, and Lazada. Just type the title of Memoirs of a Child Neurologist. You can message me if you want to directly na mag-order po sa akin sa aking Doc Malu Facebook page, or email me at docmalutrajano25@gmail.com. Siguro ang parting words ko lang is, no, if I may, can we just really close our eyes first and touch our heart and say the words na we are stronger because we learned from our mistakes, and we are happier because of the sadness we have known, and we are more, or we will become more wiser because we have learned so much from this life. Thank you very much.
Ayun.